What are you gonna do? What are you gonna build with your excavator? Wow. Oh, look at the sand. What, Aidan? What are you doing with the excavator? Cool. Excavator, go. Wow, that's amazing, Aidan. Yay, you did it. Go, go, go. That's it. Use the levers. That's it. Well done. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. Well done, Aidan. You're so good at this game. That's amazing. Wow. Good boy. Keep going. Yay. Go, Aidan. Yeah, 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 yeah. You did it. Good job. Keep going. Wow. Go, go, go. Yeah, that's amazing. Whoa. Good boy. Well done. Yeah, Aidan, go, go, go. It's so much fun, the excavator one, isn't it? Keep going. Wow, that's amazing. Good boy. Come on. Here's the sand, guys, if you want to see what Aidan's doing. There you go. Wow. It looks so good. How's it working? Is it stuck now? Yeah, 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 you're moving it, you're moving it. Well done. Yay, well done, that's awesome. Well done, Aidan, your excavator, that's super cool. I love it. That's it, keep going. Wow. Go, go, go. Yay. Good boy, that's it. Pull it up. Whoa, it's coming back, guys. You see that? That's awesome. Amazing. Well done. Keep going. What does the last lever do, Aidan? That one on the left. Oh, yeah, wow. It scoops it and it lifts it up. Can you scoop it onto the other side as well? Oh, well done. Yeah, you lifted it. Whoa, that's amazing, guys. Look at Aidan doing such a great job. Wow. Yeah, that's right. Good boy. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. Yeah, you did it. You did it. Good boy. Well done. That was amazing.